Hi everyone, Wilson here again. Welcome back to another video. So what I have in my hand here is a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So this little pocket handheld gimbal camera has plenty of rave reviews on YouTube. Good for vlogging and out and about, and it's portable. Size of your, fits in your palm of your hands. So I went and bought one because, as you know, as a beginner to YouTubing, I've always resorted to using my phone, which wasn't ideal. It's a bit cumbersome. It doesn't provide the stabilisation that the gimbal device does. Obviously, these are real-time stabilisation, unlike the digital ones on most modern phones these days. So I'm going to unbox it and show you what's inside it. And then I'm going to go out, give it a little run for its money, test it in normal daylight conditions, night conditions, evening conditions. I'm not going to bother setting it up in any fancy modes. I'm just going to use it straight out of the box with auto mode. So let's see what it's got to offer. Okay, so straight out the box comes with 4 items. Obviously, the actual camera itself, the extension handle module, which I'll explain what it does in a minute, and the hard case for storage and when it's in your pocket, etc. It's good for storage, and obviously a USB-C cable. So, like I said, little handy device that fits in your palm of your hand. It's got a little horizontal screen which you can flick around, which at the same time puts the camera on. Here you see there. And then you can flick the screen and it will turn itself off. So that's quite handy. And then the camera, the gimbal itself parks in that position. So what this little handle, extra extension handle does is provides an extra extension to the grip so you can hold it in a better position. But what it also has is the screw thread at the bottom, where you could mount external stand. You can mount the stand and then obviously have the gimbal device in an upright position like this, and for filming in that orientation. So yeah, what it doesn't include is an SD card or internal memory. So therefore, you need to purchase your own SD card. So I've already got a Samsung 128 card. Which is 4K compatible, obviously because this camera does 4K 60Hz and various other modes as well. So yeah, so I'm going to power it up, give it a charge, test it out, and see what it's got to offer. Right, hi everyone. Right, I've got the camera all charged up, powered it on, put everything on auto. Let's see how it operates. So I've got face tracking on at the moment, so as you can see, if I move my camera around, it just tracks my face, so I don't even need to look at the screen, so it's clever. So I like this face tracking, so it just puts your attention of walking rather than keep moving your hand around on the camera. Yeah, so tell me what the quality looks like. So this is full auto. I haven't adjusted any settings whatsoever. What do you think? So, nice sunny day, clear blue sky. Oh, by the way, I'm not using any external mics. I'm just purely using the Pocket 3's internal mic. So, this device has got, I think it's got 4 mics. It's got one at the front, facing me. It's got one at the back, facing forward, and one on each side, so it's an omnidirectional mic. So tell me how it sounds. A little bit of wind, so I'll be interested to see what the buffeting sounds like on these mics. But I have got, I didn't go for the creator package though. It doesn't come with the DJI mic, but I have got myself an external USB mic that I used with my phone, so I can always plug it in here and have an external mic connected in the future, should I sway a bit of a distance from this camera. But anyway, yeah, just going to do a 360. So that's the sunlight in my face. What's the exposure look like? It's pretty good from here. Right, I'm going to take a walk down here. So I've got the sun behind me now. See how that exposes when it comes out on my computer later. Right, so I'm going to do some forward facing shots. So this is me just walking at normal pace, going forward. So I'm going to spin the camera around. Let's see how stable it is when I spin the camera around. So I've got the sun in front of me at the moment, glaring down, just walking down this path. So the sun is literally right in front of us now, behind those trees there. Just interested to see what the exposure's like. So I'll just point it up to the sky. So I've got the sun right there, right there. Right, I'll take a walk forward down. So I'm going to do a 360, see how smooth it is. Yeah, that looks pretty good on my little screen here, but interested to see when it comes out what it looks like. So if I triple tap the joystick button, it should turn back towards me. And there you go. So now it's face tracking me now. Yeah. I like it. It's definitely a lot more stable than my phone. You know, I'm walking around, I'm not really conscious of how I'm holding it. I'm just holding it and it's tracking my face. So keep walking. Right, triple tap again. And then that forward camera motion. There you go. So again, once again, I'm going to do a 180. And that's just me just padding around. I know I'm not putting any effort in making it smooth. So back to me again. So I'm running it at 4K resolution, 60 Hertz. So hopefully it's super smooth as well when it comes out. Right, so I'm going to do some panning around my car, see how it fares up with me walking around. So like I said, I'm not putting any effort of making it smooth. I'm just walking around holding it casually and then see what it looks like. Looks smooth for my bit, for my end here. Right, let's go down the front end of the car. How does that look? I think it looks pretty good from what I can see. So once again, I'm just putting my camera right up to the wheels and to the badge. I'm not making any conscious effort to make it smooth. How does that look? Does that look alright? I think it does. Right, so it's almost 8 PM. It's pretty dark out here at the moment. Not completely dark yet. Just thought I'd come out and try the low light level performance of this camera. What do you guys think? I think it's quite impressive from what I can see. I'll just stay stationary for a bit and pan around. Yeah, I think this would be pretty good on a night shot in the city centre, you know, nighttime shot with neon lights and all that. That's looking forward to try that out when I go on my next adventure. But so far so good. I'm quite impressed with this handheld gimbal camera. Right, so the final test is this completely 90% dark now, with only the street light lighting up the road. Let's see how this fares. You probably can't see me very well, but I think it's not doing too bad actually. The street work lighting up my face. But in terms of what it can do, I think it's as impressive for the low light level conditions. Its performance way exceeds my expectations. Definitely better than my phone camera anyway. Right, so I'm back home now. Just done loads of walking around earlier on during the day and in the evening and till dark, basically. Tell me what you guys think of this camera, the quality compared to what I'm used to with the phone. I can certainly tell the difference just by looking at this LCD screen. The low light level filming is absolutely night and day, literally night and day. It's just so clear and vibrant. That was something that I couldn't get on the the Motorola phone. So I'm looking forward to using this camera on my next adventure, which is soon to be revealed. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers, guys. Bye.